Greetings and salutations, viewers, subscribers, and members. I'm here to announce that after this evening's episode, we will be going on a season break for about 3 to 4 weeks. And at the end of the season break, we will be airing our final episode in the Agency series. I know a lot of people will be disappointed and hurt. However, we have to close up the series because of a number of things. Availability of actors and just not having the resource to be able to upload every day. Plus, the stories are coming to an end. So, as they say, all good things have to evolve, not end. We will be having new shows coming out, but we will be taking a break and then bringing you new series. So we're asking you to look out for that. And we want to thank you again, guys, for your patronage and for your complete support of Expressions JA YouTube channel Agency series. So thank you again for your patronage. Thank you again for your viewership. Thank you for your membership. Stay members because we will be having more full productions coming to the page. Thank you so much. As you know, this is your dancehall professor, Orville Expressions, your director. Big up on yourself. We will also be closing with a award show, the 7th of June. On the 7th of June, we'll be having an award show. So look out for that. And for the persons who are in Jamaica, just make sure that you are there to see the award show and the final episode in the series. If you don't come to Jamming on the Oasis, you won't see the final episode. The final episode will not be aired on YouTube until 2 days later. Big up on yourself, enough love, enough respect.
Previously on the Agency.
You received $2 million from us up front already.
I'm risking my life and my career for you and your party just by being a mole. So don't come tell me about no measly $2 million.
So what about Marcus? I want dirt on him.
And when you live up to your end of the deal, then I'll dig little deeper.
I see you're playing a hardball, Patrice.
Let's put it this way. I've had a lot of practice.
Play with fire, you must get burned.
We'll talk, Honorable PM. Marcus? You okay? You look a little pale. Is it bad news?
I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good.
Oh,
You want to go and discuss it?
absolutely.
Marcus, the blood, it's not a match.
Who's the father?
Do you remember 18 years ago?
Listen, Marcus. I have no intentions to leave. I'm comfortable here.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. What can I do to prove it?
Look up the name David Mullins for me. He runs a shadow agency that has some people he calls sleepers. They operate inside and outside of the corporate area. See what you can find for me.
That sounds like a work for some undercover detective. Yeah.
That can never happen again, young lady. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.